Now, with April's manufacturing data due on Tuesday and the ongoing constraints still affecting the sector as we saw in the GDP print, what are some of your expectations for the upcoming release?
When you look at the PMI for 8 consecutive months, it has remained in the contractionary territory. Market participants there tell us that they still face constraints around, they are still facing logistical constraints. They are facing very low demand, and the fact that part of this output is export oriented. It goes into global markets. They are facing those challenges regarding, geopolitics, uncertainty around uncertainty around trade. So we don't necessarily expect a material improvement in the short term, and all of that is what market participants are telling us when you look at the PMI data. Mid-term outlook is relatively better, with low oil prices, strengthening rand, so that would lower import costs. But in the near term, we don't expect a material improvement, unfortunately.
And then finally, another sector struggling to gain momentum is mining. Stats SA will be releasing the mining production data this week. Are we expecting a successive month of a decline?
Yeah, you say 6% a month. It's a market that has been facing a number of constraints for a number of years. But the unique challenges this time around have got more to do with the state of the global environment. This is a market whose output, almost all its output, is export oriented. It goes into global markets. So the near-term challenges there, similar to the manufacturing sector, are that global growth has been lowered by the IMF a couple of weeks ago. We did see the IMF revising downwards global growth. It is facing uncertainty around global trade, it being an export-oriented sector.